Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix CS2 not launching after new update. So for me it was a CFG file. So what I did here is I went on CS2, properties, install files and browse, and then go to game, CSGO, and then CFG folder here, and you should see maybe you have autoexec.cfg. If you don't see CFG, press on view, show, find name extensions, and just remove a CFG file from your CFG autoexec CFG file from your CFG folder, and then look if the problem persists. If it's not working, then right click on CS2, go to properties, install files, browse. Then you need to go to game, bin, win64, and then you should see CS2.exe. Right click on it, show more options and properties. Compatibility, make sure to run this program in compatibility mode 4, and if check disable full screen optimizations or run this program as administrator, make sure to uncheck it, apply the changes, and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then make sure your GPU drivers is fully updated. I'm using NVIDIA app, so for me it's easy, but maybe using something different. Go to drivers and make sure your drivers is fully updated. Then what you need to do here is to close Steam, open up your file explorer, go to disk C, then go to a program files x86, then you need to go to Steam, and then here you should see user data folder. So what you need to do here is to delete this particular folder here. Don't worry, it's just a cache files. It won't affect your game progress or whatsoever, but you need to re-log into your Steam account again. So you need to remember your password, okay? And then what you need to do here is to launch Steam and make sure to run as admin. You can press this button here, and one time it will be run as admin. If you want to run it permanently, you just need to open file location, right click on Steam, open file location, and then you should see Steam.exe. Right click again, show more options, properties, compatibility, and make sure to run as admin. And then launch the game, and the game should be working. So that's pretty much it.